Hi, welcome to everyone. So, we are from Packone Solution company. We are having our operation part. We are providing various type of quality enhancement solutions for the printing and packaging segment. We have representing various companies from Italy, Germany, Japan, and Chinese companies. In this, we are exhibiting the live demo of laser anilox cleaning system, which is an industry's fastest, smartest, and safest technology. So now the technology is moving towards sustainable solution. So where the need of water, air, and solvent we have to reduce. So by using our laser anilox cleaning technology, the customer, the converters can clean the aniloxes within a short span of time without using any type of chemical, air, or water. The operation is very simple. Only we need a input supply, and this is an HMI unit where the operator can able to use the system by setting the roll dia and length. So based on the contamination level, they can choose light to maximum mode, then just click on the start button. Then just we have to clicking a start. Now we can see the laser will start here and it is starting to clean the anilox. Now we are observing whatever the light is coming, that is the laser energy, and above that there is a suction unit. Whatever the complete ink particles will be ablated and will be sucked through the suction unit. So this is the manufactured by PCMC company. The product name is MERIDIAN Elite Laser Anilox Cleaning System. Okay, if you have any queries, feel free to contact our company, Packone Solutions, mail ID pcmc@packone.in. Thank you.